Sufficient quantity, you will get a package including 3 graphic compasses, 1 ruling pen, 1 dull locating pin, 1 extension bar save pin, 2 pencil refills, 1 mechanical pencil, 2 triangular rulers, 1 piece 6-inch ruler, 1 piece 3.5-inch protractor, which are put in 1 shatterproof plastic box quality tool sets. The compass kit set is made of zinc alloy steel which is sturdy, durable, and easy to carry. The rulers and protractors tool set is made of PS material which is lightweight, clear and heavy. Duty practical geometry compass set. The rulers, triangles, and protractors feature gradations for easy identification. The robust plastic case is to protect and store these tools in one place in a backpack or desk. Extension beam design. There is an extension beam attached to the big compass for drawing large circles. You can draw a larger circle without lots of measuring and connective dots. Convenient to use. The circle and straight line drafting set is an instrumental helper involving many measurement tools that are needed in drafting and drawing by architects, engineers, draft